Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's the recipe of the easiest dessert ever, and it always comes out fluffy and light. For the cream, combine 500 ml of fresh milk with 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 egg yolk. Cook while mixing until thickens. Add 1 teaspoon of butter and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar just before taking the pan off the stove. Whisk and set aside to cool down. Lay the puff pastry dough on the kitchen counter, let it soften, and cut 5 cm squares. If you want to have round-shaped dessert, you can cut circles with the help of a cup. Line an oven tray with parchment paper and place the puff pastry squares on top. Squares can be lined closely since dough would shrink while baking. Bake in an oven preheated at 180 degrees until the dough puff up and golden brown slightly. After squares cool down fully, split open and spread the cream on each side. If desired, fruits can be placed on cream layer. We used sliced bananas. You can decorate with icing sugar or chocolate sauce. Refrigerate for about 2 hours. Easiest dessert ever is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!